Hi, this is Nikhilesh. I am from Nellore. I have completed my graduate in Sriram College of Engineering in the stream of Electrical and Electronics. After completing my BTech, I have searched for joining into an embedded systems course. I came to Bangalore and I searched for many institutes, but most of my seniors and my friends suggested me Emertxe. I came here, student support team and our mentors helped me a lot to gain my skills. As for my electrical background, I have very much low confidence on microcontrollers basically. But mentors in Emertxe helped me to change the microcontrollers to me an easy subject, gave me an hands-on experience. Totally in Emertxe, I have completed 9 projects overall, and with the help of my mentors, and they helped me a lot when I got any struggle while doing the projects. And they assigned me many assignments which gave me a hands-on experience on the coding. If I got any struggle, the assignments I have did in Emertxe helped me to think logically. We have a separate interview preparation module which helped me to get the all the overall experience of how what we need to prepare and what are the things we need to prepare based on the company side. And then while coming to LG Soft, after the basic screening test, there are 3 rounds. First one is written test, and then technical interview. MXC helped me to gain my confidence while speaking in an interview. Basically, I'm a nervous person, so when I need to talk with any new person, I feel nervous. But MXC mentors and student support team motivated me a lot to feel confident while speaking. This is how I have cracked LG software interview. I recommend every BTech graduate who are aiming their career in embedded systems side, they can join in MRC for you can gain more experience and you can expertise in your skills. Thank you, MX.